Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to talk to you today about Evolve. So you've probably seen on my other YouTube videos and my Instagram stories at 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗟𝗡𝗑 my love for Evolve skincare. Now, Evolve is an organic beauty brand, and when my skin was going through a little bit of trouble, actually a lot of trouble, where I was coming out with a lot of blotches and eczema, I needed to find a no fuss brand. So what I mean by that is I didn't want any strong chemicals in my skin. I just wanted to strip my skincare back to really natural organic ingredients, and ingredients that, you know, we find in the world today, and that are not going to strip my natural oils from my skin. So I've been using Evolve for many years. I've been using the Miracle Facial Oil, the Daily Renewal Cream, the shower products, I mean literally everything. And recently I was kindly gifted this gorgeous facial oil. It's actually a cleansing oil, which is, and you'll have to excuse my pronunciation because I actually don't know, it's Kalahari Dream Cleansing Oil for all skin types, and it's infused with olive, squalane, indigo and organic wild watermelon. It's 100% natural in origin and 80.9% organic. And I'm going to read a little bit of the info on the back of it, because it is like, honestly, it smells, I wish you were literally here with me right now. It's so sweet and it's so delicious. So, a complete cleansing dream, a beautiful blush pink lightweight facial cleansing oil that deeply cleanses, we want that, the skin without leaving an oily residue. It removes makeup in a flash, including stubborn eye makeup, which actually I haven't tried the eye makeup yet. I've only tried the face. Whilst gently nourishing the skin, its delicious fruity scent, which is what you can smell, and pale pink hue make it a perfectly fuss-free deep cleanser for everyday use. And what it came with as well are the gorgeous gorgeous face pads, and they're really soft for the skin. So I'm just going to put a little bit of water onto my skin, and normally I would do this obviously over the sink, but for today's purpose we're not going to. Take a few pumps, and then what you want to do is put this all over the skin, and then to activate it a little bit more, it actually says you need to use warm water. So for the sake of today, we're not going to use the warm water. I'm going to use the warm water afterwards in a minute when I actually wash my face. So I'm really just massaging what I have on my skin off. I've got a little bit left over in here of some water. Can you see that it's now sort of, if I keep putting it on the skin, it's turning into that milky consistency. And that's what I'm going to do to break down, because what we want to do is we want to break down the makeup that's on the skin right now. And I like using my fingertips because I'm just basically working the product into the skin. Like, you can see it all there at the top. And then I'm going to reapply my makeup all over again in my next video. How lovely. So let's go in, pretending I've got warm water here with the face pad. And I'm going to basically take my makeup off. I'm going to have to run to the toilet, because what I do is I reuse these. So you can squeeze them out, rinse them out, and then reuse them, and then obviously wash them as well. My top tip for you though is to really do not use fabric conditioner when you're washing them, because what that will do is it will leave a residue on the reusable face pads, and then what that can do is then put that residue on your face, and you may get irritated skin. So it's not ideal. Okay. Going in circular motions. I'm not doing the eye makeup because I'm still filming. I'm literally just doing the skin. I'm just going to run away. Let's take under the eyes off. There we go. I was just cleaning the face pad out, and there isn't really much coming off now, and that's just with the oil, because oil breaks down grease and dirt really quickly. So if you find you've got oil in your cleanser, it will just break it down. It's just so gentle, and for me personally, I suffer from really dry skin, so I mean, if I'm going to use water, and we live in a really hard water area, I'm always really reluctant to get a product that I have to use water with, because no matter how hydrating the oil or the cleanser is, my skin always dries out afterwards. But what I found by using the cleansing oil is that it hasn't been. It's just really been nourishing it really nicely, which I love. So well done to Evolve on that one. Okay, I think we're pretty much done. So that is the cleansing oil. I just highly recommend you go and buy it and use it and see for yourself. Also, a little goes a long way, guys, with this one. You don't need very much. What you can also do is double cleanse as well. So get another reusable pad, apply the oil again, and just make sure that nothing is being left. What you can also do as well is double cleanse. So get another reusable pad, apply the oil, and make sure that the pad is coming out clear, and then you know you've completely taken all your makeup off. But you probably won't need to double cleanse unless you wear a lot of makeup. But I love it. I love the scent. Just go and try it for yourself. It's called Evolve Beauty Kalahari Dream Cleansing Oil. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I love it. Have a super day, guys, and I will see you soon. Need to go and put some moisturiser on. Bye.